Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install this super loud air horn train. It's on 150 decimal, and we're going to install it on this Yamaha lithium golf cart. So let's dive right into it, guys. Let's get started. This is actually made out of metal, guys. It's zinc metal, and it's heavy duty, weather resistance. Also, the compressor is very heavy duty, weather resistance too. So it's been upgraded from the review. It's been upgraded. It's a 12 volt system, so don't forget about that, guys. Now, when you install it, make sure your golf cart can handle the 12 volt. In my case, I had to buy a reducer going from 48 volts down to 24 volts, so it's able to handle items like this. Because if you don't, you can blow your compressor. Okay, so make sure you double check with that. Again, I have all the information, all those items that you need to install down in the description below, so that will help you a lot. But yeah, I recommend the product. I do believe this is going to be a good item, and for about 30 bucks you get a whole kit. It's simple to install. It's nice, easy. Again, if you want some to show, they sell in chrome. If you want to, show the horn, in my case, I'm just gonna hide it. So that's the reason why I got black. It's again, not bad of an item for $30, and then again, it's some fun to add on to the golf cart. Okay, until next review, guys. Until next time, take care. And oh, I forgot to tell you, do check other golf cart videos out. Have like a lead acid conversion to lithium. That one was a real great investment that we did change. It helped reduce 300 pounds, guys, over 300 pounds weight reduction. The golf cart drives a lot quicker and faster. So check out that video. Okay, until next time, bye now, take care. I finally got everything hooked up, so here it goes. Super loud train horn. You got your compressor, your negative, hook up to your negative, and it goes to the diffuser, the reducer, the negative here. Of course, you don't want to hook it up to straight to the battery, the lithium battery, because it's going to blow your compressor. Okay, now here's your positive. Positive goes to positive, and against the reducer. Okay, you see that? And then you have your horn button. Okay, it's hooked up to the positive and negative, and then voila, you got yourself a super loud horn train. That's really loud. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now. So, guys, I got the horn hooked up here, and you can see that. Sounds pretty loud. I'm going to show you how I did it here. Here's the compressor. So the key to this, guys, here is your compressor here. I'm going to start off showing you guys the compressor, how it's hooked up. You got your negative. Your negative goes to your reducer in a negative. You can see it, negative. And you want to make sure it's hooked up to the reducer, because if you hook it straight up to the lithium battery, it's going to blow the compressor because it's not going to be able to handle, it's too high a voltage, right? So once you hook it up to negative, here's your positive of the compressor. Positive goes to the positive button of the wire. In this case, this button right here, you guys see it? Okay. Hook it up to that yellow wire is the positive. Next is your green. Your green's going to be your positive. So it's going to run green, run. You follow, if you here, you see that green, white in this case. I'm running it as a white wire. It goes to positive. Yeah, straight to reducer. Positive, straight to reducer. I know it's a little bit confusing, but it works. So just follow me here. Next is you got your black. Okay. Also, your black wire has to run into, your black and yellow has to run into the positive. Okay. Again, this is the positive. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. But if you run it like that, I'm gonna run it one more time here, guys. The confusing part is this part right here. Make sure your yellow, your positive, your black, and your yellow runs back to here. And then once you do that, you connect it like that, it should work. Okay. And then we're gonna test out the horn. I also install the horn here. This is a train horn, guys. Very nice. Sure can get people attention, right? Hey, well, at least he's not scared, right? Sebastian's not scared. Sprint is it's not too bad currently, but look at this guy, pretty compact 12-volt battery. Of course they don't last long, but look how thick these wires are. So we're going to take this baby for a test drive with the new lithium battery. Let's see how it does up the hill here. Look at that pickup. Ooh, oh, it's a lot faster, guys. And first I recommend taking a picture of it. So I took out all 6 8-volt batteries. And you got your charger block here. So next I'm gonna do is take this converter reducer. It's automatic finds the battery for you, and this is all displays. Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video here. Today I'm going to show you how to clean up a golf cart here to make it look shiny and nice.